Welcome back to Richly Small. Today we will be looking at the Talis by Bürstner. Looked beyond the road and took inspiration from marine life when designing the Talis. In collaboration with Studio Sin, they used virtual wind tunnel simulations to refine the trailer's shape, creating a sleek, fish-like design that tapers at both the front and rear for enhanced aerodynamics. This innovative approach mirrors the strategy of Polydrop, whose new P21 trailer is touted as the most energy-efficient RV in the world. By combining cutting-edge technology with nature's own efficiencies, Bürstner is paving the way for the future of RVing. While Bürstner isn't making bold claims about breaking records, the Talis strikes a perfect balance between sleek aerodynamics and spacious comfort. Unlike the ultra-narrow P21, Bürstner keeps a wider profile to ensure ample living space without compromising efficiency. One standout feature is its innovative inflatable rear extension, which transforms the master sleeping area. What begins as a compact transverse bed expands into a roomy 79 by 67-inch longitudinal bed, combining a lightweight design with enhanced comfort for all your adventures. The master bed in the Talis is roomy enough for kids to cuddle up if they wake from a bad dream, though they'll probably prefer their own cozy, fort-like kids' sleeping den just below. This clever space transforms from a daytime storage tunnel into a snug sleeping area for two children, without needing to deploy the inflatable air extension rear chamber. The kids' room can stay open or be closed off with a curtain for added privacy. This convertible kids' space is just the start of Bürstner's Easy Flex design, which also shines in the Talis's front kitchen. Though a bit more compact than those in Bürstner's larger caravan models, the kitchen makes up for it with impressive flexibility, offering a highly adaptable space to suit any camping adventure. The Talis elevates outdoor versatility with a kitchen designed for both indoor and outdoor use. The entire top half of the kitchen block can be easily removed, set up outside on legs and attached to the trailer with a separate worktop. Outfitted with two induction hobs, there's no need for an LPG tank, making outdoor cooking hassle-free and convenient. And why should only the cook enjoy the fresh air? Bürstner includes a removable sofa bench that can be set up outside so everyone can relax and take in nature. The Talis's Easy Flex design also shines in the wet bathroom, which features a chemical-free twin-chamber eco-toilet that can be removed when needed. Likely a dry, separating toilet, it frees up shower space and can be used outdoors with a pop-up privacy tent. The bathroom sink folds into the wall, maximizing space for a more comfortable showering experience. Beyond its flexible spaces, the Talis offers a range of thoughtful design features that elevate both style and functionality. Slatted wood wall paneling adds a sleek modern touch while also providing integrated soundproofing. Battery-powered movable lamps can illuminate any corner of the interior, and soft-sided overhead storage modules can be removed for outdoor use or even taken along on shopping trips. Historically, Bürstner has focused on creating open, spacious interiors that feel like a true home away from home. However, the brand has recently shifted toward compact, eco-friendly RV solutions without sacrificing that cozy, home-like atmosphere. Inflatable expansions have become a key element of this new strategy. Almost any car can tow the Talis, including electric cars. While Bürstner doesn't emphasize it, photos reveal a slim set of wheels tucked behind lower fairings, clearly designed to improve the trailer's lightweight and aerodynamic towing performance. Erwin Hymer Group has built a strong reputation for turning concept campers into reality, often carrying forward many of their standout features. Whether the Talis will join that lineup remains to be seen, but for now, it's one of the stars of the 2024 Düsseldorf Caravan Salon.